Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guy. So today I'm going to show you how to connect an API to WordPress. So there's actually only one thing that you need here, and that is a plugin. So here's your main interface. On the left corner of the screen, just go down to plugins, and then from here, simply search API. From here, you want to get this specific plugin right here. It's for free, but you're gonna have to activate it. So yeah. Once you got this activated, I will show you how this will work. If you get this activated, this plugin activated, basically what you need to do is to just edit your site right here. You just need to visit your site, edit site, and then from there, just click on this, and then automatically in the plugin section, there's gonna be a plugin section here where you can connect where APIs or the API will appear. And then from there, you just enter in your API key and you'll be good to go. And that's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do hit, of course, the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.